One couple in Long Island in 1962 experienced a close encounter with a fiery orb the size of a basketball that rolled into their living room through an open window. The fireball passed right between the two of them, continued through the room, and vanished down an adjacent corridor. Such unpredictable behavior is the hallmark of ball lightning, and it's left scientists perplexed for many, many years. The phenomenon is typically described as being white or yellow, orange, red, or blue. It's frequently described as extremely bright with a luminous nature that's comparable to that of the sun.